Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Canva clone image editor that I developed. It's a all-in-one ultimate image editor which supports all the operations at once. You can crop images, you can resize images, you can compress images as well. So when you land on this tool right here, I've also deployed this on my website freemediatools.com. So you can check out the live demo right here by visiting this URL. So when you land on this user interface, you need to select whichever image file you are editing. So let's suppose I select the image file. So as soon as you select the image file, you will see this list of operations. You can convert this image to whichever format here. So you can need to select the format from the drop down. You can convert this image to JPG, PNG, GIF file, SVG as well. So if I want to convert to SVG, I will say convert to SVG and you will see the file will be downloaded. So this is at the SVG file right here. So the image file has been converted to scalable vector graphics. So if you want to convert this to PNG, so you can see the file is converted from JPG to PNG. So this is the first one, and the next thing which is there is the cropping functionality. So if you want to crop the image, you can click this button, crop image. Now automatically you will see this crop editor. You can just crop whichever portion of the image you want by this nice little editor, and then click on this button, download crop image. You can see your image will be successfully cropped and downloaded automatically. The next functionality is the compress image functionality. So this, you will click this button right now, and now you can control the quality of the image, the compression quality right here using the slider from 0 to 100. 0 means the lowest quality. So as soon you will see the size will be decreased and you will see the quality of the image is decreased. So here using this slider you can actually control the quality, and based upon the quality the image will be compressed. So now the next one is a resize functionality as well. So there is also this resize. You can directly manipulate the width here, 200 height. There is also this option here if you want to maintain the aspect ratio or if you want to reduce the quality. So all these options are available in this Canva Ultimate Image Editor. So these are all the operations which are there. So if you need the full source code of this project, the link is given in the description. So you can purchase the full source code, and after purchasing it you will get the zip file automatically from Google Drive. And you just need to extract this. This is a simple static tool which runs entirely in the browser. You will see this is HTML code, and this is almost 259 lines of JavaScript code. So once you get the source code, you can easily modify it. After you purchase it, you simply can run this project locally. You can see we are running this project locally right here. So it will run entirely in the browser. It's a static single page application, so which supports all these operations. You can convert image from one format to another. You can compress, you can crop images, you can resize images, everything you can do in all-in-one image editor. You can see that. So, and for cropping the image we are using a library, open source library called as Cropper.js, which is a JavaScript library for cropping images. So we are using this JavaScript library for cropping images. So if you are interested guys, the link is given in the description. Before purchasing it, you can see the live demo of this application, and if you are interested, the link is given. You can purchase the full source code of this project. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.